and there are certain things that don't make sense at all. I love it personally. That's why I did this video for you, in case you're wondering, are there any tools better than ClickFunnels? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Jelena Ostrovska here from JelenaOstrovska.com, and this is the best place for coaches, consultants, and entrepreneurs who want to dominate on social media. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why I quit ClickFunnels, a very popular software, after being a customer for well over 2 years. And I'm also going to share with you the brand new software that I switched over my entire business to. Took a lot of time and effort, but stay tuned all the way until the end of this video, as I'm going to reveal all the secrets, and I'm also going to give you some bonuses. So first and foremost, let me tell you that ClickFunnels is a great software. I have no hate whatsoever for that. However, after being a customer for well over 2 years, like I said, I started noticing that there has not been a whole lot of innovation, and that's the main reason why I started looking elsewhere. So I decided that there are other softwares, and a friend of mine shared a brand new software, kind of, sort of, but they have also been around for a couple of years, and I figured I would share them with you. Now, let me tell you the good things about ClickFunnels. I have definitely made money with using ClickFunnels. I have been an affiliate, so I still recommend it if that's the tool that you absolutely are dying to enroll into. I will leave a link for you down below. I'm still an affiliate. And yes, you can be an affiliate without being an actual customer. I still recommend it. It's really good, but there is another software that I encourage you to use, and I'm going to talk about it here in just a second. Now, with ClickFunnels, I love the tool. It's simple to use. Some people do have a learning curve, just like with any other software, but like I said, there's no innovation, right? The education, the training, the group, the community, the 2 Comma Club award, and everything like that is great. However, you're very limited as far as what you can do, right? So there are certain things that do work only on mobile, or certain things that do work only on computer. So there's not that much flexibility when it comes to ClickFunnels. So especially if you compare it to something like WordPress or any other tool, right? So with ClickFunnels, like I said, you're limited as far as what design you can do. You can't really move things around on the page as you want it to be. So you have to either move it to the left or to the right, or stick it in the center. And there are certain things that don't make sense at all. For example, every single time I make a sales page, I know the template that I use, it has to be the checkout card, right? So where I can put the checkout on the same page, instead of me, creating, otherwise you're just going to be creating a whole bunch of pages. I've had some funnels where I have way too many steps, like legit some funnels I would have 8 or 10 or even 12 pages, just because you have the sales page, you have the checkout card, you have everything separate, and then it just kind of becomes a pain in the butt the more funnels you build, the more your business grows. Now, another thing that I have been using a lot has been the membership site. So I do have a course, my signature program, the Content Empire, which the doors are open, so check it out in the description box. So the thing with that, again, you're very limited. So you basically stick to the same framework everybody else is using for their membership sites. And the biggest downside in ClickFunnels is that if you really want something fancy, if you really want something more customized, you do have to get a coder who's going to be able to do that for you, right? And here's another part. If you are going to be using a template, right? So you are going to want to change things up. Like, there are so many different templates that you can use, and they are great. However, every single time I use one of them and I want to customize something, it's not necessarily possible, right? Because you have to go into the CSS code and you have to figure that out and all this technical mumbo jumbo. So for me, I never even used a whole lot of templates. I'm the kind of person that I start using a template and then I just remove everything and I start building the whole page from scratch. So if you relate to this, let me know in the comment section below, because that has totally been a kind of struggle for me. But also kind of the good thing, because I get to learn the software and implement my own stuff, right? And then the biggest downside for me as far as ClickFunnels, I do believe that it is a slightly overpriced and overvalued software in my opinion, because for $97 a month, that's what I have been paying for it. It's fine. You get just enough features to get your business going. You have, some affiliates, your membership is covered and all that kind of stuff. But if you want to have, let's say, affiliates for your own course, or you want to use their email marketing system, or you want to, I don't know, have unlimited funnels or whatnot, maybe you have a big agency or you have multiple different offers as a coach, eventually it is going to become pricey, right? It's going to be $297 a month. And again, it's still a fair price to run a business. And I mean, we all have business expenses and things like that, and obviously tax write-offs and things like that. Consult your accountants, not giving here financial advice, but eventually it does become quite a lot of money to run a business, especially when you think about there's other softwares that are more robust and more advanced. And that's the main reason why I switched from ClickFunnels. Now, the brand new tool that I decided to use is called builderall. So I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description box. It is my affiliate link. And right now I'm going to dive into my screen share and actually show you what's inside the software and what you are getting. And for literally a fraction of the cost of ClickFunnels, you get the whole farm, if you will. So let's dive right into the screen share. Now I am inside of my back office in builderall, and your eyes are probably like wide open, like, Jelena, what the heck is going on over here? So let me share with you, because this tool is a straight up beast. They do have so many different tools and so many different resources. So I'm just going to walk you through the basics and kind of going to show you what's included and how it all looks like. And I will have separate videos showing you how to navigate and how to, build the funnels and membership sites and things like that. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of these kind of videos. So, and I will share with you the whole pricing and everything, so don't you worry about that. So I will be keeping this video very transparent. So first of all, as you can see in the menu, there are several different things. So as you can see, there's a homepage, there is, the knowledge base, so there's all kinds of tutorials and everything like that. So then you are going to see all the apps right here, which is kind of a lot, as you can tell. So like, builderall does promise to be your all-in-one business solution, which I do believe it is that. So I have already replaced multiple different tools that I had to pay for before, including ClickFunnels, including autoresponder, including things like eCam Live, where I would go live on Facebook from my desktop and things like that. So we'll talk about that more. Now, you're also going to see trainings for all kinds of different businesses. So it doesn't matter whether you are a coach, a course creator, a network marketer, a physical product, digital product, local business. So they do have something for everybody, right? So they have, the affiliate marketing training and mentoring and all kinds of different things, Facebook ads, you name it. There are Facebook groups as well, so there is community and there is live chat support, which I do appreciate. So affiliates, there is an affiliate program, so I am an affiliate of. The affiliate program is pretty nice because it is two-tier platform, so you don't only get paid on your own affiliates, but on whatever your affiliates sell as well. So that's pretty good. Not a network marketing, not an MLM, just a two-tier affiliate system. So you also get all kinds of, alerts and things like that right here. There are events and workshops and calendars and all kinds of different cool things. So, and they also sell different add-ons and things like that. So let me show you around. So this is the homepage, and what I like about the homepage is you can very much customize what you want to show on this homepage, right? So for example, I can delete any of these things. If I'm not using something, I can very much go ahead and delete it, but I'm pretty much using all of these. So obviously I'm keeping them on my homepage. So in order for you to find more apps, you're going to want to click right here and install more tools. And now you're going to see the page where you will see everything builderall has to offer, which is the exciting part. So they have the website builder. You can literally have your own blog inside of builderall. So you're basically going to be saving on the hosting, WordPress, all the plugins. If you don't want to pay for any of that, you can very much just have everything inside of builderall. I already have my website on WordPress. So personally, I'm not really making that switch as of right now. So funnel builder, if you do want to use something like funnel mapping, to where you want to map out a funnel and then bring it to life using the website builder, that's where you're going to go. You can also do webinars, evergreen webinars as well. So both live and evergreen, they do have all the automation you possibly need. So you don't really need any other software like EverWebinar or, whatever others you use, which they can be, quite pricey once you add all those expenses up. So e-learning, that's the place where you can create your own online courses. You can also customize your courses in the actual builder. So I've done this, both ways, love it both ways, really good. Booking builder, this is really nice if you're somebody who constantly books appointments, or you have, discovery calls that you're doing or sales calls, and you are using Calendly or Acuity or anything like that. You're gonna save on that membership as well, basically. And builderall's Booking Builder is actually very advanced and robust. I've already used it and it works amazingly, and you get updated, and it has email integrations and payments synchronization and basically everything that you will ever possibly need in the scheduler. So you can also have designs. There's extra designs for your funnels. There is the funnel club, basically kind of the same thing like in ClickFunnels and any other tool. You have the option to choose all kinds of different templates. So for example, if you have a client, maybe a local business, like a brick and mortar business, maybe like a dentist, so they have funnels already for that. So you can basically just start with a template instead of hiring expensive designers, right? Again, you can still do that, but just so you know. Website agency, that's another part that you can do, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna start using that more. I have not used it personally just yet. Autoresponder, obviously, you gotta have an autoresponder. So in ClickFunnels, if you wanna use an autoresponder that they provide, you have to pay $297 a month. And you also have to pay for SendGrid, I believe, because they have to be like synchronized or whatnot. This autoresponder, it does take a learning curve. I will warn you. Build just like any other software, just like any other tool, but the deliverability is amazing. I set mine up and I've already sent a test broadcast, and I moved my email sequences there. Works amazingly, so highly recommend that. Customer Relationship Manager, if you want to manage your leads, CRM is included as well. Now, if you're somebody who's into e-commerce, they also have, solutions for that. They have WordPress integration. If you want to build a chat bot, you can also do that. App Builder, one of my affiliates is actually starting to use an app builder, so you can also do that. The only thing is, I believe from what I heard, you do need an iPhone, so you may have to reach out to your friends so they can upload the app into the app store. There's all kinds of different things. You can create listings, you can sell different things, you can even make your own digital magazine if you want to. You can create your mock-ups, like digital products that we all showcase in laptops and phones and things like that, so you can also do that. You can create floating videos for your website. I mean, the capabilities are endless. So the video sales letters, you can also have those video wrappers. Although this tool, I believe they're either discontinuing it or they are changing it up. So those videos, like memeable videos that you can see on Instagram with, headline over here and, subtitles over here, you can also use that. There's video funnel builders, so you can host your videos. Although personally, I'm gonna be honest with you, the video hosting storage is never enough on tools like that, so I still recommend using Vimeo or any other tool. I personally find Vimeo to be the best. You can also set up a restricted access for your virtual assistants, and the way this works is you basically give them a code, and you can basically give them access to only certain softwares within builderall, which I really love that, so they don't have to go and get overwhelmed with everything. So you can have like some shareable tools, social media auto posting, Instagram autoresponder if you want to. So you can sell funnels. Now here's the cool part. So when some of the softwares that are not the cheapest, they're already included inside of builderall, so you can see, you can basically have the click or heat map, so you can see where people are browsing on your site and how they are, moving and performing, which is pretty freaking cool. You can also have a custom email account. So for example, I'm using G Suite, and I love it. It works amazing, and I've already been paying for it, so I don't necessarily want to switch here. But if I do need an extra email, I'm probably going to use builderall, right? Messenger chatbot, social proof pop-up. This is actually a cool one because you probably have seen those, bottom left corner, you go to the website and they show, hey, this person so-and-so bought this, program or this product. Something you can do as well. There's telegrams and browser notifications, that show up right here on the, on your computer. And you can also manage all of your domains that are connected to builderall, which is pretty freaking cool. And if you want to do something more customized, script generator, you can also do that. So everything is very customized. Now, I will tell you this, the best part that I do love about builderall is it's very easy to optimize for mobile, which is so important right now. And the website builder, it's completely different to ClickFunnels, completely like 180 degrees, to where you can actually move things around wherever you want. So that's the best part. So I will have a separate tutorial on that. If you're interested, let me know down below in the comment section as well. And let me wrap up the video here in just a second. Now, you may be wondering, well, what's the whole price for all of that? So as of the recording of this video, this is January 2nd, 2020, actually 2021, I don't know what I'm talking about. There is a special offer right now, so you can sign up for $69.90 per month and secure this same pricing for lifetime as long as you are a member. So it is a monthly payment and you can see everything on the website. I'm going to link my affiliate link down below in the description box, so check it out. They show you everything and whatever you need to be successful with your business. So that's what I would highly recommend for you to secure. So they do have like $1 offer, totally up to you what you want to sign up for, but I do have some special bonuses for you if you do sign up on the full-on membership and play full out in your business like you should. So that's all that is included inside of builderall. You can see why I decided to switch over to this tool from ClickFunnels. So this way beats ClickFunnels out of the gate. So I'm sure you can see that right now. So if you do enjoy this, I would highly recommend for you to go ahead and sign up. And I'm also giving you 2 bonuses just for you for signing up with me. So the number 1 bonus is my signature program, the Content Empire, where I teach you how to turn your social media content into profits and sign clients like clockwork, all organically. And I'm also launching a brand new membership program in January 2021. So that's also what you're going to get as long as you remain a member. So there you go. I really hope this video was helpful. I really hope that you got high hopes for the software as much as I do. So, and my hopes were totally valid. I love it personally. That's why I did this video for you, in case you're wondering, are there any tools better than ClickFunnels? So if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments down below. Hit the thumbs up below this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button and the bell sign down below this video to get notified every single time there is a new video on my channel, which is going to be quite frequently this year. So I really hope you enjoy this. Before you go, check out these 2 videos right here, all things social media, marketing and business, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.